Yeah, I know.
Nathan, what is going on?
There's a fire drill happening. I'm really tired and hungry.
Brad, what do you think?
Cold. I think this is gay.
I think it's really cold.
It's pretty flippin' cold. What time is it? It's like
30-ish, 2-ish,
2-ish?
2:30-ish.
2:35.
It's 2:35. The fire alarm went off. Me and Nathan went tearing out into the hallway to see if there's anything we could do. Seeing it was too far gone, we cut our losses and ran for the door. It's pretty stinking cold. There's a bunch of, we're not sure if it was smoke or a fire extinguisher.
I'm pretty sure it was fire extinguisher.
Yeah, we're pretty sure it's a fire extinguisher.
Mostly because it didn't smell like smoke.
Anything else, fire expert Nathan?
The fire people aren't here yet.
Yeah.
Right down the road. I always get confused on how it takes them so long to get here, but maybe I shouldn't be such a critic.
I agree.
Sure, it could be.
The fire department made up of volunteers is lame. So it's pretty stinking cold out here.
Why are you barefoot?
It's cold and it sucks. So peace.